Excitement is building among astronomers as the T Coronae Borealis, also known as the Blaze Star, is expected to go nova any day now. This rare stellar explosion will be visible to the naked eye, lighting up the night sky as brightly as the North Star. NASA has been monitoring this binary star system, located about 3,000 light-years away, and predicts the explosion will occur in the coming months. This once-in-a-lifetime event will provide a spectacular show for stargazers and perhaps inspire a new generation of astronomers.